Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about the carnivore diet versus the vegan diet. These two diets are very different, but they both have their own set of potential benefits and risks. In this video, I will compare and contrast the two diets, and discuss which one might be right for you. What is the carnivore diet? The carnivore diet is a very restrictive diet that only allows you to eat meat, fish, and eggs. You can also drink water and unsweetened tea or coffee. This diet is based on the idea that humans are naturally carnivores and that eating a diet of only animal products is the best way to achieve optimal health. What is the vegan diet? The vegan diet is a plant-based diet that excludes all animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, dairy, and honey. Vegans also avoid using any products that are made from animals, such as leather, wool, and fur. The vegan diet is based on the idea that it is wrong to harm animals for food or any other purpose. What are the benefits of the carnivore diet? There are a number of potential benefits to the carnivore diet. Some people report that they experience improvements in their energy levels, mood, and gut health after following this diet. Others report losing weight and improving their overall health. What are the risks of the carnivore diet? The carnivore diet is a very restrictive diet, and it's important to make sure that you're getting all of the nutrients that you need. Some people who follow this diet may experience nutrient deficiencies, such as vitamin B12 deficiency. It's also important to talk to your doctor before starting the carnivore diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. What are the benefits of the vegan diet? There are also a number of potential benefits to the vegan diet. Vegans tend to have lower rates of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and some types of cancer. They also tend to have lower body weights and lower blood pressure. What are the risks of the vegan diet? The vegan diet can be difficult to follow, especially if you're not careful. It's important to make sure that you're getting enough of all of the nutrients that you need, especially protein, iron, vitamin B12, and zinc. It's also important to talk to your doctor before starting the vegan diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Which diet is right for you? The best diet for you is the one that you can stick to and that makes you feel your best. If you're considering trying the carnivore diet or the vegan diet, I recommend starting slowly and gradually adding more animal products or plant-based foods to your diet. You can also talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian to get more personalized advice. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you to understand the difference between the carnivore diet and the vegan diet. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.